Simple and delicious. I don't need to tell you. Hi guys, let's make sapa plantain porridge. Very quick and simple one. Are you confused? I'm tying a wrapper. Yes, so you get as they do me today, guys. All I know is that I need strength, I need energy. I don't have much of it today. So I hope that this plantain porridge will help me. You know, I need strength and some vegetables in my life. You guys know that plantain contains iron in it. So let's do this. I always wash this before I start slicing because you don't want to introduce dirt in your meal, right? Let me do it here. Let's get a knife. I have my pot here, so I'll be peeling off the skin, then I'll be slicing it directly inside the pot. It's been a while since I had this. Honestly, it's really been a long time, so I can't wait to have it today. I'm not going to be adding too much ingredients to this. No fish, no meat, no egg, nothing. See, I cut up 5 pieces here, but it's really not enough. Look, very small. So I'm going to do 4 more because I'm not the only one that will be eating this. So I think 9 will be enough for us. I have 2 types here. The ones that are getting ripe, on their way to ripe, I'll be ripening, and the unripe one, this is the unripe one, you can see, and this is the one that is about to ripen. Ripen. Choose one. Choose one, my dear friends. Here we go. Now that's enough. So if you want it liquidy, you can add more water, but I like it in between thick and light. So this is just about enough. I hope you guys can see this. I'm going to start adding my ingredients to this, starting with onions. That's enough. I don't want too much onions in this. I'm going to slice in 2 fresh tomatoes. Bell pepper, the red one. The color doesn't matter though. You can use the yellow, the green, or the orange, but I choose to go with the red one. I'm adding only half. I'm going to save this one for later. Scotch bonnet pepper. This one I took it out from the freezer. That's where I saved my fresh Scotch bonnet. This thing is very spicy, so I'm not going to be putting all, so that my kids can enjoy it. Two tablespoons of crayfish, seasoning cubes, salt. Mix well. At this point you can add any ingredients of your choice. I think I will have to, I'm going to add more water here because the one I added is already drying out and we are not even yet done, which is to say I added a little water previously. So the final thing that goes in is the palm oil. That's enough. Cover and let it cook. Now for garnishing, I'll be using spinach. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. You can use ugu, you can use kale, you can use kalaloo, which is the one Nigerians call green. That's green, yes. It's even perfect for this. But I'll be using spinach. You can even use scent leaves. Yes, I think I'll be, not I think. I keep saying I think. When I can, I'll be adding scent leaves to this. Yes, a mixture of spinach and scent leaves. Let's add our scent leaves. So this is what it looks like. This is how I stored them in my freezer, and whenever I need it I just bring one out. Depending on the quantity I need, I might finish one, I might use half. Like this one now, I used half, so I'm using the remaining half for this recipe. I'm going to let it wilt down. Once that is done, I'll add the spinach. With the scent leaves, oh, this thing smells so divine, so amazing. It's done. Turn off the heat and that's it. Guys, food is ready. You see how quick and simple this meal is to prepare. That is how easy it is to digest and to nourish your body. Go try it out. Simple and delicious. I don't need to tell you. I have a combination of sweet and savory taste here. The sweetness is coming from the about to ripe plantains, while the savory taste is coming from the unripe one and the ingredients. Does that make sense? Let me go and sit down and enjoy this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.